Imagine you're about to take a decisive step towards financial independence. But I'm not here to sell you unreachable dreams or a lavish lifestyle that seems out of your reach. Today, I want to speak to you with complete transparency about a real and accessible opportunity to build an online business through TikTok. A business that would allow you to generate passive income while enjoying life on your own terms. In today's digital age, social media is full of influencers and gurus trying to sell you the idea of instant success. Luxury cars, trips to exotic destinations, all wrapped up in a message of quick wealth. But the harsh reality is that most of these people don't have the experience or knowledge to truly help you make money. What they end up selling you is false promises and methods that simply don't work. This is where the difference lies. I spent the last year perfecting an effective strategy to generate income through TikTok. I'm not promising that it will be easy or that you will get rich overnight. What I'm offering is a proven method that can lead to financial freedom. Would you like to sell products that generate you passive income every single day while you sleep, travel, or spend time with your family? The truth is, many people want to start making money online but just don't know where to begin. Some follow bad advice, sign up for useless courses, or simply feel overwhelmed by the amount of outdated tactics and information they find online. Today, I want to show you a different path based on my personal experience and strategies that actually work. I will guide you step by step from choosing profitable products to automating viral content that drives sales through TikTok. My goal is for you to avoid common mistakes and maximize your chances of success from day one. Let me introduce myself. My name is David Scheuer, a digital entrepreneur that built a successful business from scratch using nothing but the app that you already have on your phone called TikTok. And when I realized the potential of this new opportunity, I decided to develop what is now the best product research tool for aspiring TikTok sellers called Viralytic. Before starting my online business, I used to be a bartender, working until 6 in the morning, 5 to 6 days a week for minimum wage. Now, thanks to e-commerce, I've been able to be featured on magazines like Forbes magazine. Also, I've been able to bring my family all over the world. Not only that, I've also been able to travel all over the world. I've gone to Egypt, I've been to Italy, I've been to Brazil, Greece, and the list continues. In 2023, after 6 years of being in e-commerce, I came across this new business model that completely changed my perspective on how simple it is to start and scale a new brand in less than a year. And in less than 1 year, I scaled a new brand from 0 to multiple 6 figures. And what I want right now is to share with you the exact same process that you can replicate even if you don't have any experience whatsoever to start making money online. I'm excited to share this opportunity with you today because starting with TikTok now, it's like starting with Amazon 15 years ago. And the best part is that no one is talking about this business yet. So you will be among the first to take advantage of this opportunity. And let me show you the results of people just like you who are making thousands of dollars a week selling products on the TikTok Shop platform without needing to have millions of followers and without having to shoot one single video themselves. And the best part is, to get started, you don't need to invest any money on inventory. For example, this seller, she's made more than $169,000 in sales in the past 15 days selling this African exfoliating sponge. Or this other seller that's made more than $30,000 these past 7 days selling creatine. And this other seller that's made more than $54,000 in only 7 days selling black sea moss on TikTok Shop. All you have to do is follow my proven work plan and be willing to work. Now, I want you to think what's possible for you. What would you do with more money? What would you do with more free time? Imagine the life that you could have if you didn't have to worry about money or your job. That vision is what will motivate you to build your business. All you need now is a plan, and I have the work plan to build it. Now, let's talk about the 3 fundamental pillars of TikTok Shop. Pillar number 1, choosing profitable products. The first crucial step is to find products that not only resonate with your target audience, but that also generate consistent sales. Knowing what to sell and knowing how to sell profitably is the key to long-term success. Pillar number 2, finding elite on-demand suppliers. The second step after you know what product you're going to sell is to find an on-demand supplier to supply and fulfill your orders. Now, the best part about on-demand suppliers is that you don't have to buy any upfront inventory, eliminating all of the risks that come with starting a business. And pillar number 3, sell through content. Final and most important step is to list your product on TikTok Shop and have as many TikTok users make videos with your product. And now you may be asking yourself, why would TikTok users want to make videos with my product? Well, it's simple. All these people will get paid all via commission. Now, let me show you in detail what this process looks like. All right, now before we begin, let's talk about what is TikTok Shop for everyone that doesn't know. All right, there's a new way of selling products online directly through TikTok videos. Let me show you what that looks like. Here, I'm scrolling on TikTok and I've come across this video of this person talking about these gully gummies. If I actually like what he's talking about the product, I can actually now click on the link directly on a TikTok video and purchase directly from the video. Now, this is completely changing the e-commerce game, guys. This is called social commerce. You can now sell products directly through TikTok videos, which means you're going to be capitalizing on people's impulse purchases. Now that you understand how TikTok Shop works, well, let's explain pillar number 1. Let's go ahead and find a profitable product to sell on TikTok. We're gonna go to Viralytic.com. Viralytic is a product research software that's gonna help you find profitable products to sell on TikTok a lot faster. It's a TikTok Shop analytics tool. Now we're gonna go to Viralytic.com and we're gonna go to right here to where it says top sales. Then I'm gonna go ahead and click on monthly. In here is where I can see which products have been the best sellers on TikTok Shop this month. For example, those Gully gummies that person was making a video about have made more than $2.6 million in sales the past 30 days. But it's not just that product. This candle right here has made $1.1 million in sales in the past 30 days. And here we have a huge list of products that are all making millions of dollars a month. So what I recommend for you, someone that's looking to get started in this business, is go ahead and come to Viralytic, see what's popular already on TikTok Shop so you can start selling those exact same products. Well, you may be asking yourself, well, these products that are already making millions of dollars a month, aren't they going to be too competitive? Well, no, that's the beauty of it. Yes, you can sell products that are making millions of dollars a month and you don't have to worry about it being competitive. Because to have success on TikTok, it's not about your competition, it's all simply about the content. Now, don't worry, I'll explain what that means here in a second. So let's go ahead and pick a product together that catches our eye. For example, I see here a brand that's selling creatine that's made more than $220,000 in sales in the past 30 days. Now, if I actually click on the product, I can see some more history as far as how many sales they've done in the past 7 days, past 15 days, and past 30 days inside TikTok Shop. Now, also, one thing I want to point out is that it tells me how many different people are making videos of this product. As you can see, this product right now has 76 different people making videos of this product on TikTok Shop and generating sales through their videos. I'll explain what that is here in a second. So this product actually looks really, really good. As a rule of thumb, I recommend to launch products that are making at least $50,000 a month in sales inside TikTok Shop. So thanks to Viralytic, you can literally pick whatever product you are passionate about. Also, one thing I want you to focus on is to launch products that you're passionate about, that you want to build a brand around. Now that we've picked the product, for example, me, I love going to the gym, so actually launching my own creatine brand sounds like a great idea. Now that you have come up with a product that you want to launch on TikTok Shop, well, it's time to come up with a brand name. In order to come up with a brand name, we're gonna go to this site called Namelix. Namelix uses artificial intelligence to give you ideas for your brand name. Or maybe you already have an idea for a brand name, then go with that. Now I'm gonna go ahead, simply tell it, give me a name for a creatine brand. Hit generate, and I'm gonna go ahead and hit compound words, or you can choose whatever style of name you wanna do. For example, real words like Apple and Amazon, or alternate spelling like Lyft or Fiverr. So choose whatever style of brand you wanna come up with. For me, I'm gonna hit compound words. I'm gonna hit next, medium, generate, and it's going to automatically come up with ideas for the creatine brand. Now, within seconds, I already have a couple of ideas which I can name my brand. For example, B-Star sounds pretty cool, Crush, Beast Time, Stimulix, Tonicore, I actually love this name a lot. Lave Lift, Great 9, I actually love Great 9. I'm gonna go ahead and go with that one because it has something to do with creatine. So I'll go ahead and pick this name right here. Now that I have found a name for my creatine brand, I'm gonna go to ChatGPT to have it come up with a logo for me. Now I'm gonna go to ChatGPT and I'm gonna tell it, hey, design a logo using Dolly for a creatine brand called Great 9. Hit enter. Now ChatGPT is going to automatically design a logo for me. Within minutes, I already have a name for my creatine brand and I already have a logo for my creatine brand. Yes, it's that easy. Now, I actually love this logo that ChatGPT has come up with it, so I'm gonna go ahead and download it. Now, if you don't like it, you can simply tell ChatGPT to build you another one. I'm gonna go ahead and download this to my computer. So, we found a product that we want to sell. We already have the name for the creatine brand and we already have the logo for the creatine brand. What's next? Step number 2 is we're going to find an on-demand supplier for my product. Now, let me explain what an on-demand supplier is. Well, simply all I'm going to do is go to this supplier. I'm going to give them the logo of my brand. And what's going to happen, then I'm going to list this product on TikTok Shop with my logo on it. Whenever someone buys the product from TikTok Shop, my on-demand supplier is going to see the order from my TikTok store. They're going to print my logo on the product and they're going to ship it to the customer. This means that I don't have to buy any upfront inventory or handle any customer service. This is the beauty of working with on-demand suppliers because you don't have to take any upfront risk. Now, for example, they are selling me this creatine for $8 per piece. What I'm going to do then is list the creatine on TikTok Shop for $20. Whenever someone buys the creatine from my TikTok Shop, this supplier is going to print my logo on the creatine and ship it to the customer. If the product sells, that means that I'm making $12 on every sale that happened. The beautiful part about it is that I don't have to buy any upfront inventory. And yes, suppliers like this one automatically connect with my TikTok store. So they will see the orders come in whenever those sales start to pour in. Now, this supplier not only has creatine, so maybe you don't want to launch your own creatine, but you want to launch your own fish oil brand, which makes a killing on TikTok Shop. Or maybe you want to launch your own magnesium gummies, what you can see here. It's not only for supplements. There is literally an on-demand supplier for any product that you can think of. And yes, they automatically connect with TikTok Shop. This is why I'm so excited about this opportunity, because you can literally start printing money without having to buy any upfront inventory. Okay, so we found a profitable product to sell on TikTok Shop. Then we created a name for our brand and a logo for our brand, and now we found an on-demand supplier for our product. The final step is to go and list this product on TikTok Shop and start working with as many TikTok creators as possible to make videos with our product. Now, in order for us to list our product on TikTok Shop, we're going to go to seller.tiktok.com to create our own TikTok Shop account. After we have created our TikTok Shop account, we're going to connect it with our on-demand supplier. After that's done, Then we're gonna go ahead and start reaching out to as many creators as possible to make videos with our product. And yes, you can make your own videos for your product at home with your own TikTok account. That's not a problem. But the real way on how you can scale this business to be making millions of dollars a month is by working with as many different creators as possible. Let me show you. If we go to Viralytic, I can see that this creatine has generated over $156,000 in sales in the past 30 days. And they're currently working with 76 influencers that are currently making videos of their product. Now, you may be asking yourself, okay, what's a TikTok shop creator and why would they want to make videos of my product? Now, let's go back to that example that I have here. As you can see, this guy right here is making videos of Gully Gummies, but this creator does not own the brand and he doesn't have any of the inventory at home. So why is he making videos? Well, he's simply going to earn a commission if I decide to buy the product from the link on his video. If I actually buy the product, well, Gully Gummies is going to send the inventory to me, the customer, and he's simply going to earn a commission by generating sales from his video. This is why people are going to be incentivized to make videos of your product. So if you truly want to get to the $1 million a month in sales, well, you have to work with as many creators as possible. Well, lucky for you, we have a software that will automatically reach out to thousands of creators for you to make videos of your product. You see, up to now, if you really wanted to scale your brand, you had to reach out to creator one by one, which will automatically take you forever to get 50 people to make videos of your product if you really want to start making crazy money with this. Well, lucky for you, we have developed a bot which automatically reaches out to thousands of creators with only a push of a button. Within a week of starting your business, you can start seeing sales start to pour in. Because it's not going to be only you making videos of the product, it's going to be 50 or 100 people making videos of your product, which are all incentivized because they're going to be making commissions by generating sales through your videos. And that, my friend, is how you're going to scale your business to 7 figures. To build a successful TikTok shop business, you need a clear and detailed work plan. It's easy to get lost in the amount of information available, but I'm here to guide you directly towards what works. With my help, you won't have to waste time watching endless YouTube videos, listening to long podcasts, or joining Facebook groups that simply don't have any value. I've seen people with great potential follow bad advice and end up losing a lot of money. Some even quit before seeing results. But it doesn't have to be that way for you. The most effective way to learn is to work with someone that has already walked the path and succeeded. I've witnessed how the right strategies can change lives, and now I want to help you. My TikTok Shop program is designed to take you from beginner to expert in the shortest time possible. I'll teach you how to find profitable products, give you access to our list of elite on-demand suppliers, and we'll have your product being pushed by hundreds of TikTok creators. Don't waste your time and money on useless courses and outdated information. If you are committed and willing to invest in your future, book a call to find out how you can start generating passive income with TikTok Shop. My program is for everyone, but if you are not willing to pay attention and apply what I teach you, then this program is not for you. But if you're ready to commit, understand the potential of TikTok Shop, and are willing to learn, then my program is perfect for you. Right below this video, there's going to be a link that's going to take you to an application. Yes, you do have to apply because I simply don't work with anybody. If the application goes well, then you're going to be able to book a Zoom call. On the Zoom call, we're gonna talk about your goals with the business and answer any questions that you may have with TikTok Shop. If your goals match what we can help you with, then what we'll do is we'll start working with you one-on-one to help you launch your TikTok empire. Well, if you truly believe that TikTok Shop is a business for you, then go ahead, click on the link, apply to the program, and I'll see you on the Zoom call.